Hi folks! Welcome to another great video on AI Masterclass. For the last couple of years, OpenAI was the main character of AI. ChatGPT everywhere. GPT this, GPT that. It felt like everyone else was just doing cameos in OpenAI, the movie. But 2025 flipped the script. Google came back with the Gemini family, kept dropping upgrades, and then Gemini 3 arrived. Suddenly the comments section turned into, wait, did Google just take the lead? The AI war is now very real, and Google just rolled a tank onto the battlefield. So in this video, in just 5 minutes, here's what Gemini 3 really is, what it can do, how much it costs, and how you can actually use it today. Gemini 3 is Google's latest flagship generation, plugged straight into the Gemini app, Google AI Studio, and Vertex AI for enterprises. This isn't one lonely model, it's a lineup. Think of it like a superhero duo. Gemini 3 Pro is the mastermind strategist, deep reasoning, massive context, high-stakes thinking. Gemini 3 Flash is the speedster, fast, efficient, and doing 90% of the daily missions. And both are multimodal. That means one brain for text, images, video, audio, and code. No more, sorry, I only do text nonsense. Let's talk superpowers. Gemini 3 is built around 3 big abilities: learn, build, and plan. First, learn. Gemini 3 can chew through huge inputs, think very long contexts. Full reports, research dumps, and 100-page PDFs become lunch, not a choking hazard. That means instead of you spending hours scanning documents, you can get clean summaries, key points, and action items in a few seconds. Second, build. Gemini 3 is one of Google's strongest agentic coding models. It doesn't just spit out random code, it helps design, refactor, and reason about real multi-step apps and workflows. Will it replace developers? No, but it will replace that one friend who pastes from Stack Overflow and pretends it's original. Third, plan. Gemini 3 is tuned for long horizon tasks and agent-style behavior, so instead of answering one question and forgetting you exist, it can help run sequences of steps and act more like a project partner. Alright, time to talk about the real boss, your wallet. Gemini has 2 main payment paths, subscriptions and API pricing. On the subscription side, Google's AI Pro plan is reported around $19.99 a month in the US. Then there's AI Ultra, the VIP tier, at about $249.99 a month for maximum access to Google's best AI features. AI Ultra is not I like AI. AI Ultra is I identify as a productivity machine. It's made for power users and teams, not casual weekend dabblers. Prices change by country, so always check the latest on the official Google AI or Google One pages. If you're a builder or developer, you'll mostly care about tokens. With the Gemini API, you pay per 1 million tokens, tiny chunks of text or media. The more you send and receive, the more you pay. Right now, the Gemini 3 Pro preview is around $2 per 1 million input tokens for prompts up to 200,000 tokens, and about $12 per 1 million output tokens in that range. Gemini 3 Flash Preview is the budget hero, roughly $0.50 per 1 million input tokens for text, images, and video, $1 for audio input tokens, and around $3 per 1 million output tokens. Cheat code: use Flash for everyday apps, chatbots, and automations. Use Pro for serious research, complex reasoning, and anything where good enough isn't good enough. If you're standing at the edge of the AI battlefield like, cool, but what do I do with this? There are 3 easy doors. Door 1, the Gemini app. Use it like ChatGPT chat, summarize, brainstorm, rewrite. Gemini 3 is rolling into this, so you get the new models without touching code. Door 2, Google AI Studio. This is for creators and devs. Log in, pick Gemini 3 Flash or Pro, grab an API key, and start wiring it into your tools and apps. There's a free tier, so you can experiment without instant bill shock. Door 3, Vertex AI. That's the enterprise lane governance, security, scale. If your company has meetings about governance frameworks, this is probably where you'll meet Gemini. To start simple, go to Google AI Studio sign and get an API key, choose Gemini 3 Flash or Pro, and test your first prompt. So that's the plot twist. OpenAI may have started as the main character, but with Gemini 3, Google isn't just catching up. It's trying to rewrite the script for who leads the next chapter of AI. Comment Team Google if you think Gemini 3 is winning right now, Team OpenAI if GPT still wears the crown, or Team whatever works if you just want the tool that gets the job done. Hit like if this saved you a ton of research time. Subscribe for more short AI breakdowns, and in the next video, there can be a direct showdown. Gemini versus its biggest rivals on real tasks. No marketing, just results. Thank you for watching the video. I'm sure you got value from it. Please like and subscribe for such content. Hope to see you in another great video. Till then, have fun and take good care of yourself and your loved ones.